Can you play Minecraft on Linux? In this video, I'm going to show you how to play Minecraft on a Linux operating system. Minecraft officially supports Linux, making it easy to install and play on popular distributions like Ubuntu, Fedora, and Debian. Start by downloading the Minecraft Java Edition installer from the official Minecraft website. The Java Edition works best on Linux. So what you're going to do is to just go to minecraft.net, and then from here just click on the deluxe edition or the standard edition, which is this. So you can see it has a Minecraft Java Edition as well. And then you can just hit on checkout and then pay for the program. Then make sure that you have the Java Runtime Environment or the JRE installed on your system. You can download it from this docs.oracle.com. You can just click on this oracle.com link, and then you can download it from there if you don't have it yet. And then you can also install or open JDK through your Linux package manager. After downloading, open the terminal and then navigate to the installer directory. Run the installer with the command java /jar space Minecraft installer.jar and then period. Once installed, launch Minecraft Launcher, log in with your Mojang or Microsoft account, and start playing. You can customize game settings, install mods, and join multiplayer servers. If you encounter performance issues, consider installing proprietary graphics drivers for your GPU and optimizing Java memory settings. And that's how you play Minecraft on Linux.